Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to explore ChatGPT to write simple T-SQL queries for us. So I've got SQL Server Management Studio open here with me and I've got two tables. So one is the Fact Internet Sales table and it's got two things I'm after. So it's got the sales amount and I want the summary of sales amount and it's got a order date key. So I want to summarize the sales amount by the time of the year when the when the orders were placed. And I want to join this order date key, and then I've got the dim date table where I've got a date key. So I want the order date key in the fact internet sales table to join to the date key in the dim date table. And then I want to group the data based on the English month name, and I want to group it based on the calendar year. So I've got the calendar year and English month name. So I want to see what was the amount of orders which were placed by calendar year and English month name. And so that's essentially the ask that I have. And I want to see if I can use ChatGPT and if it gives me what I have. So I've sort of put this problem in words. And I say I have two tables in SQL Server, Fact Internet Sales and DimDate. I want to join the order date key in Fact Internet Sales table with date key in DimDate. I want to get the sum of sales amount in Fact Internet Sales based on English month name and calendar year, which I've already shown to you. And I need the T-SQL for the same. So I've got, let me just bring ChatGPT here and I'm going to start passing this on. And so we can write a SQL. So let's start as a first step. So I'll just tell ChatGPT that I've got two tables, and then I'll just sort of start prompting that, and I want to join the order date key. So this is what my joining criteria would be, and so it starts giving me. So it's joining these two tables, but then I want to get the sum of sales amount based on English month name and calendar year and dim date tables. So I'll just pass that along, and you can see that it's starting to write the SQL for me as we go along. And now so I still need to put in the database name because this probably won't fly. So if I copy this code here and if I put this in, so let's say I just copy this code and place it here. So what happens? This will run because I'm already pointing to AdventureWorks database. So, but if, for example, it had master selected here, this would fall over. So essentially, we need to pass the database name as well. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to say my database name is AdventureWorks 2017. So ChatGPT can go and modify the query. So I'll just put this here, and I'll say schema name is DBO. So basically I'm saying, hey, I want to modify the SQL, and so it changes the SQL based on the information that we've provided. And let's go and copy this. So now with this one selected here, this piece of query should run. And this is great, but I want it sorted by calendar year and I want it sorted by English month name. So that's the next step. We'll say I want it sorted on and so it just goes and then it fetches the information and it's doing an order by. So I'll just copy this. Let's just copy the code, so probably easier. And then I'm going to, so I'll reuse this one again, but essentially it's added the order by clause. And if I run this, you can see, so I've got 2010 and 2011. But then it's just all of a sudden, it's just sorting the English month name on alphabetical. But I want it sorted, so if January is the first month, February is the second, and so on. So I'll just go back and say English, so the English month name should be based on month order for so let's see what it does. So what it's done is essentially gone and changed this. So let's see. and this is what we want, I think. So let's just copy this again, and I'll just go in and paste this. And when I execute this, you can see it's started doing what we exactly wanted. So we wanted to get the total sales amount ordered for calendar year and calendar month, sorted on calendar year and English month name, but then we wanted it sorted based on how the calendar the months are ordered in a calendar year. So this is essentially where we wanted to, and ChatGPT is just given us the SQL query really fast. So I'm quite impressed. It's a pretty good tool, and it can be used as an accelerator and a great help to extract the SQL queries and get the data sets. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you'd like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.